Step 1. We lay out protection and runners through your home to protect your floors. Step 2. Your existing shower is then removed to expose the plumbing, subfloor, and studs for inspection. On to Step 3. We then inspect and repair where needed. Blocking is installed for any accessories that will require support. Step 4. Your new shower and new faucet system is installed with a pressure-balanced Delta faucet. Next, we move on to Step 5, where we install your choice of a backer board. You can choose to go with green board, but there is a possibility of moisture seeping in over time, and this can cause mold and bacteria growth. A better option is Den Shield. Den Shield is 100% waterproof and surpasses code requirements. Den Shield has a specialized acrylic coating that surrounds the Den Shield tile backer, providing a built-in water barrier that stops moisture at the surface. Den Shield also comes with a quad lock corner protection. A special polyurethane adhesive is put on the corner with a solid PVC corner flashing to ensure 100% leak-proof corners. Step 6. We custom fit your new wall system and adhere each panel with a special adhesive so it will never come away from the wall. After that, we move to Step 7. We add shelving, soap niches, grab bars, shower wands, curtains, glass doors, or whatever else you need in locations you get to choose. Step 8. We add a finish seal with a unique blend of 100% antimicrobial silicone. Step 9. We give it a nice cleanup and test everything to make sure it's working properly. And finally, we do a post-job walkthrough to make sure that all of your needs are met and the bathroom is good to go. Contact us today to start on your dream bathroom.